back to another episode here on Life with Eve, and I wanted to talk to you today about tax preparers. I am out here like in the middle of it snowing, like it's snowing, it's slushy, it's slippery, and I had to get out my bed early this morning to drive all the way downtown Detroit and make a deposit into one of my clients who was overcharged, not by me, but by the company, for her tax return. And she ended up moving out of state, so she couldn't come and, pick up the money. And so I made it my business to drive all the way downtown to her credit union that she banks with. At the time, I didn't know it was this far, but I still, on my day off, got up and came all the way down here to this credit union to deposit her money. And not only her money, but I also threw an little extra in there for the inconvenience, because she did file with me, and it took like too long for her to get her money back. And because the company did not, refund her money to her before she left. And they like, well, she has to come and get it. And I'm like, it shouldn't even be like that. It ain't even that serious. You can make a deposit into her account. But I took it upon myself to go and deposit the money to her account myself and throw a little extra in there, because it's all about customer service. And I don't want my name to be tarnished because of a mistake that the company made. I don't want that. I want my clients to have a good experience. So that was the point of me doing that. Even in rain, hail, sleet, and snow, my clients come first to me. Their happiness and satisfactory with my services to them comes first. So if you have a preparer out that you're filing your return with, and they're not helping you, they're not there for you, they're not answering any of your questions, they're not getting your funds to you at their earliest convenience and whenever it's possible, then you need to try to find yourself another preparer and seek someone who's going to actually be doing their jobs. Because it's a lot of people out here. I've been contacted by so many people since I've been doing this, been doing these tax videos, about how their preparer treats them, and that is not fair. Tax season is a stressful time. Anybody that's in this game know it's a stressful time for both parties. So at the end of the day, it's still up to that preparer to cope with that kind of lifestyle, because they already know what it is. If you're not able to handle that, then you don't need to be in this business. And I can see because you do get clients that really just be out of hand with stuff. But if it's not a client that's out of hand and they did what they supposed to, now it's your turn as the preparer to help them out, then do that. Because a lot of them just prepare your stuff, and then when you end up with these letters, or your refund takes too long, or you don't have no updates or whatever, they like, oh well, did my job, you sign off on the paperwork, go ahead on with your life, I'm gonna go ahead on with mine. That's how a lot of them feel. I just don't feel that way, not with my clients. Anybody that has an experience with me, they have a good experience with me, and I try to make sure that all my clients are happy. That's the way you do business. That's the way you help to grow your business, by satisfying your customer. Because without that customer, you ain't got no money in your pocket, and you don't eat, your bills don't get paid. So the point of this video is to have you guys think about the person that you are entrusting your personal information to. Because if they feel this way about your taxes, just think of what they would do with your personal information. You see what I'm saying? Like, just be careful about the people that you are entrusting your personal information to, okay? And if they're not giving you a good experience, and you didn't have a good experience for them, and they're not trying to compensate you for the inconvenience, then move on. Find somebody else that will do what they're not doing. Okay, that's it. That's all I want to talk to y'all about. I'm getting ready to go see this movie, Get Out, that I ain't seen that everybody talking about. Oh, also, this is had nothing to do with this, but for my subscribers that's been with me from day one, I finally got my stickers, my logo stickers, even though I want to redo it, because even though it says Life with Eve, because my channel, you know, I call it Life with Eve, but my YouTube name is called Msevesbyu, and I want that on there. So when people look up or search my channel, they'll search up Msevesbyu, because when you search up Life with Eve, everybody on there like Life with Eve, life with some kind of way. So you more so would find me under Msevesbyu, more so than Life with Eve. And my name of my YouTube channel is not on my logo, so I may have to redo my stickers, but I still want to send the stickers that I have for all of you guys out there. So I will be getting started on that, and we'll be mailing those out come Monday, so be on the lookout for that, guys. And remember to send me your fan mail. I would like to hear back from you, and put it down. I'm gonna leave my P.O. box again down in my description box, so you guys will have that info if you decide to, you know, hit me up or just write me a letter. Even if you got a text question, like, it's no problem. I don't have no problem with that. So that'll be about it. I will talk to you guys in a minute. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to give this video a thumbs up if you agree with what I said. Until next time, here on Life with Ease, here with Msevesbyu, I will talk to you guys later.